Danelaw and Danegeld. The first Vikings to reach English shore were raiders. However, it wasn't long before these regular raiders realized that England would be an excellent place to settle, especially during the harsh Scandinavian winters. As a result, large Viking armies began invading Britain. In 866, they captured the city of York and conquered most of Northumbria. Next, they invaded Mercia and East Anglia and settled there. The Vikings would have taken much more land if it hadn't been for King Alfred of Wessex. His armies defeated the Vikings but couldn't drive them out of Britain completely. King Alfred made a peace treaty with the Viking king Guthrum. The Vikings were allowed to settle in northern and eastern England, and a boundary was marked out between the Anglo-Saxons and Viking areas. The boundary ran across the country diagonally from Chester to London. Anything north of the line was ruled over by King Guthrum. This area was called Danelaw because of Danish Viking laws and customs applied there. Danelaw covered a huge area, including the towns of Derby, Leicester, Lincoln, Stamford, and Nottingham. Its largest and most important city was York. Many Vikings settled in Danelaw with their families. They built new settlements, farmed the land, and traded with the local people. However, life during this time was far from peaceful. Anglo-Saxons and Vikings were regularly at war. Some Anglo-Saxon rulers made deals with the Viking rulers. They gave them lots of silver coins so they wouldn't have to invade Anglo-Saxon land. The money was known as Danegeld. By the 10th century, Viking settlers were no longer welcome in Britain. Under King Æthelstan, who ruled until 939, most Vikings were driven out of the country. The Danelaw ended in 954 when the Viking king of Northumbria, Eric Bloodaxe, was banished from his own kingdom.